Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to restore photos from Google One. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google One and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, these are the sections. So there is the home section, storage, benefits, and support section. Right here in the top right, you're gonna find profile if you want to change your profile, and in the left you're gonna find this little icon. From here you can go to membership plans, settings, help. You can also send feedback, check the privacy and policy if you want to read it, and lastly terms of services. So right here in the home section you're gonna find the storage, how much you've used of the storage. From here, you're going to find backup, cleanup, and dark web report. Basically, guys, if you want to restore photos from Google One, go ahead and click on Setups, Setup in Backups, and then right here, you're going to find the account storage. Under it, you're going to find Backup by Google One. Make sure that you check it, and then right here, you're going to find a button saying Backup Now. Your device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. So basically guys, if you want to restore photos from Google One, go ahead and click on backup now and your photos will be restored. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.